I'm Dr. Raj Shah from Math Plus Academy, here with a math treat. This is one of my all-time favorite math problems. It is the staircase problem, and in this problem you have to go up the staircase doing either single steps or double steps. So let me show you how that might work. And our goal is to figure out how many different ways there are to get to the top of a staircase. So for example, in this problem, I might take all single steps. That might look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'll write that over here. I'll just keep track of it as 1, 1, 1, 1. 4 single steps to get to the top of the 4-step staircase. Now, I might do something else. I might take all double steps. So I'd start from here, and I'd skip the first step, go straight to the second step, and I'd skip the third and go straight to the fourth. And that looks like 2 double steps, just like that. So that's 2 ways already. Let's look at another way. How about I mix up the singles and the doubles? So maybe I do a single to start with, and then a double, so I go straight to 3, and then a single that takes me to 4. That's 1, 2, 1. And I hope you can see that there are probably a few more ways to do this 4-step staircase. So that was some examples for the 4-step staircase. My actual challenge for you is, how many ways are there to get to the top of a 12-step staircase? So I'd love for you to try and figure that out. You can probably imagine there's going to be a lot of different ways. You could certainly try and write them all out. That is a strategy that could work. Another thing you could try that people have told me works well is start with a small number of steps, solve it completely, and kind of work your way up, maybe looking for a pattern. If you do it that way, I really want you to understand where that pattern comes from and why you're allowed to use it. Because you can't just do a couple examples and then generalize without understanding why it's true. So that's a little bit of a challenge. And then if you figure out the 12-step staircase problem where you can do all 1s and 2s, then I would love for you to think about, what if you could do 1s or double steps or triple steps? Then how many ways are there to get to the top of this 12-step staircase? So that's this week's math treat. As always, just have fun playing with the math.